I was faced with a decision about where to go with technology. I mean, I had technology already, and I needed to decide how to improve that because it wasn't serving the needs of the business. It was basic. It was thrown together in haste. It had to be, and on a very tight budget. And as soon as I was able to, I needed to look at better options. And I've worked with technology a lot in the past. So I've built technology myself as a programmer, and I've used many different case management systems, including homemade ones by the solicitor themselves, off-the-shelf ones, standard offerings in the market. So I understood what I was looking at and what I was asking when I spoke to Denovo. And it came across very clearly in the discussion with them that you got an incredible system. It's one that adapts to your needs. It's one that they are open to suggestions about. I mean, this was part of the sale to me, was that they are happy to have as much input as I wanted in order to tweak their system to my needs, which that's revolutionary for me. I've not come across a provider who can do that, and who is keen to do that. And of course, it makes perfect business sense, because my solution to a problem might be one that they could sell to the next guy, which everyone's a winner. Everybody benefits from.